Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to send Stellar from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With advancements in crypto tech, transferring assets has become faster and more secure than ever. If you're looking to move your Stellar XLM tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Coinbase Wallet. In 2025, Gemini's interface is even more user-friendly, with AI-assisted navigation. Start by logging into your Gemini account using two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head to your wallet section and select Stellar XLM from your asset list. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this from your Coinbase Wallet app to avoid any mishaps. Coinbase Wallet in 2025 features QR code scanning for quick and error-free address entry, so use that if available. Now, specify the amount of Stellar you want to send and review the transaction fees. With blockchain upgrades, fees are lower, but always confirm the network. Stick to the Stellar network for this transfer. Before confirming, take a moment to verify all details. Gemini might show you a preview with estimated arrival time, which is usually under a minute thanks to 2025's optimized blockchain speeds. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a notification once it's sent. Over on Coinbase Wallet, refresh your app to see your Stellar arrive. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. Always keep an eye on market volatility, as prices can fluctuate during transfers. If you run into issues, like a delayed transaction, check the Stellar Blockchain Explorer for status updates. And remember, never share your private keys. There you have it. Sending Stellar from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025 is a breeze. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.